Step 4. Create screens. Now that we have our data displaying in PhixFlow, we'll look to add a form that will allow us to add additional features to our form to manage the data. Right-click on the dashboard and click Dashboard Options. Then click Add Horizontal Bar. PhixFlow adds a separator bar to your dashboard. You can adjust this by dragging it with your mouse. Right-click on the lower white area and select Create Form. Enter the name Business Entry Form. This form will allow us to add new features to our dashboard. In the bottom right of the PhixFlow window, click on the palette icon. Expand the section PFT1 App Builder Theme 1. A palette is a set of pre-made components that we can quickly and easily add to our form to add new features. From the palette, drag Form Title onto our new form and we'll call it Title. Drag the form body from the palette and name this Business Body. This adds a split area and buttons to the form that have been pre-configured for us. So now our dashboard should look like the following. We're now ready to start adding the attributes to our form that we want to be able to edit. Click on the Business Data Stream tab. In the Stream Properties, select the attribute UID through to Active holding the Shift key. Keep the Shift key held down and drag these attributes onto the left-hand side of our form. PhixFlow will create a set of form fields for these attributes automatically. Now let's add the description. Click on the description, hold the Shift key down and drag this onto the right-hand side of our form. As you'll recall, in Step 1, we set the attribute type to be big string. Therefore, PhixFlow creates a field with an editing toolbar to make it easy to edit the description text. By dragging the attributes onto the form in this way, PhixFlow knows that you want to bind this form to this particular stream. To display the company name in the form title that we added earlier, click on the fixed header. This will open its properties window and we can change the display text to be business details. Click the save icon. And now back on our dashboard, click the dynamic text and in its properties, under the name, change this to be name. As PhixFlow knows there is an attribute called name, it will use the name value of the currently selected record in the dynamic area. Next, we want to link our business data view with our new form. Click on the UID column header in our business data table and drag this onto the form. Click Confirm. This tells PhixFlow that the form should display the selected record from our view. PhixFlow opens up a Properties tab for the filters. Click the green tick to save and close it. Now, when you select a different record in the table, PhixFlow automatically displays the selected record in the form. Finally, let's add another content container to our form so that we can add additional features. From the palette we opened earlier, drag a form content component onto the blue form area and name it Map Area. From the palette, drag a Google Map component onto the new area, holding Shift. Call this Map. Right-click in the dashboard and select Lock the Layout. This switches PhixFlow from the editing the dashboard to displaying the dashboard as the application would be seen by the user. Click the different rows in the data table and the map updates to show the location of the currently selected business using its postcode. And that's all of our configuration now complete. To have a go at using your application, switch to PhixFlow's App Mode. In the bottom right hand corner of the PhixFlow window, click the App Mode button. In the data table, select any record, edit a field in the form, click into the description field and enter some information, click the Update button and notice that the data record in the table is now updated. And that's it. We've finished our quick guide tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this and we'll see you in the next one.